All right, Christmas tree time. Okay, we need to get a chair, so where are my keys? Alright, so I'm kind of cheating today. Normally, I would get the flint stick out, make some tinder, show you guys the way I normally would light a fire. Okay, done. Got our chairs. But today I'm just cutting up some kindling from my woodshed, grabbing a few dry pieces of wood, and we'll get that started. Little paper matches the easy way. You guys want some kick-ass chairs? Get these little guys. You kind of see them all over the place now, but we got these on Amazon. Super compact. Got our trusty Bic. Oh yeah. Oh, that's all we need. Okay, let's try this. Oh yeah. Winter campfire. Alright. Alright, ladies and gents. Having ourselves a little winter fire action. Today is December the 30th or the 29th. I don't pay attention during my days off. Try not to. So today we're going to cook up a nice and tasty ribeye steak. I'm going to cook some potatoes. Oh yeah. And a nice vegetable medley with asparagus, peppers and onions and some garlic. And we're gonna cook those all over the fire today. Yeah, so how was your guys' Christmas? Get anything good? I got one of these Samsung Galaxy watches. I didn't even ask for that, and to be honest, didn't think I cared to have one, but they're pretty sweet. I got pretty spoiled. We also like to give back, so helped out a fellow community member with some with a Blu-ray player and some movies for kids. So that felt really nice, just to give back and help people out that need it more than we do. Good. We're looking good. Okay guys, I got some chicken and some potatoes. Got myself a beverage. I'm gonna go get some light to film while we cook the foods. Got myself one of those pure vodkas. This fire is nice. Oh yeah. It's gonna be perfect for cooking. Light here. Some chicken thighs. I already washed them off inside. Got some Cajun spice. You guys see that? There we go. Just put a whole bunch of that in there. I'm even gonna take this off. Just dump a bunch in there. Oh yeah, a little bit more. We'll just get that going. It's like shake and bake it style. Okay, we'll just let those kind of do their thing. Okay, I got some bag of potatoes here. Grab a few of the onion in there too. Some of these little fellers. What do you call these now? They're called white potatoes. These aren't all white potatoes. It's like white and red potatoes mixed. I think I might have put it in the wrong bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw them in a pan. Some spices. Just cut them like in quarters. These are going to be delightful. I'm just going to throw some like Montreal and some Cajun on these. And that'll be delicious. Just like that. Oh yeah. If my neighbors are like, what's he doing back there? I've never seen him do anything like this. He is weird. Okay, what do you guys think? That looks pretty good to me. Let's go ahead and throw that on the fire. We'll just grab a stick of butter first. A little bit of butter here. We'll just cut off a little block here. Yeah, nice chunk. Just throw it right in there. Okay, there we go. Alright. I think I gotta get the fire a little hotter. I'm not a pro like old Posa there. You're the pro, my dude. I will cut up the veg, but I probably won't cook that till like once I start cooking the steak. So let these potatoes cook for a while. Oh yeah, these are gonna be good. I'll throw a little spice on them once that butter melts a bit more. Yeah, I've got to get this fire ripping up a little bit more here. Got some of this, some of that cherry wood. Yeah, that stuff will burn. All right. Okay guys, it's starting to cook now. Let's pull my chair up. Yeah, buddy. Okay, maybe throw some salt and pepper on there. That's what I'm going to do, salt and pepper. I think I said Cajun and keg seasoning, but we're gonna go with some Himalayan pink salt, pepper. Whew, that's hot. Damn, that's hot now, boys and girls, ladies and gents. Oh, damn. Okay, a little bit more pepper. Totally ripping off Matthew Posa, but this is hot. Oh, okay, that's good. like a little Cajun. Cajun goes with like so much. Ooh, that's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. There, nice. Okay, boys and girls, and ladies and gents, and whoever's watching, cats and dogs, maybe your hamster's watching, maybe your fish, I don't know. Hate touching chicken, but luckily I'm at the house. Just go give those a little wash after. Give my digits a wash. Oh yeah, look at these look good. Another one. Nice. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to use the tongs for these. Okay. Alright, look at that. Yeah, that piece is already burning. Okay, we gotta get that out of the fire a bit. Over there maybe. Oh no. We might be a little bit too hot. It's gonna turn out good. Okay, like that. Nice. Perfect for the chicken right now. Perfect fire. What we're gonna do is throw some barbecue sauce on these as well. Oh yeah, it's pretty hot right there. A little hotter there. Okay. Kind of just pile them on top of each other. Might even just pull these off before they're totally done. Especially since this flame is getting a little bit crazy right now. They're pretty much almost cooked. And then I'll just throw them back on at the end, just some barbecue sauce. Just to heat them back up and get some of that barbecue sauce on there. Yeah, buddy. Oh, those look good. There, we got a nice tray of chicken. Okay. Get this veg started here. Oh yeah. There we go. Throw a chunk of butter in there. A couple chunks. A little bit of salt. Some of that pink Himalayan. Some peppercorns. The black peppercorns. And I got butter on there, but I'm going to give a little spray of the avocado too. Oh, that's cold tonight. The other night's been like -10 Celsius. Tonight we are -4 tonight. -4. Okay, we're back. Sorry guys, my phone, I guess being so close to the fire, started to overheat. This is looking ready. I already pulled the chicken off. The fire was getting a little hot. I mean, that looks good to me though. You know, looks pretty damn good. So yeah, I think we're pretty well done. The steak is looking dynamite. I don't want to overcook it, so I'm going to call that good. Okay, so we're going to feast. What do you guys think? We got some chicken thighs. We got the rib steak. We got some veg. And some nice golden nuggets. Yep. Oh yeah, see why that light is annoying. But I guess as long as you guys can see me. That steak is dynamite. I know some of you guys might be like, barbecue sauce. I don't care, it tastes good to me. Prepared it in Montreal, cooked over the fire. Not overcooked. Oh yeah. Ooh. That's the perfect sound right there. Oh, that's tasty. Dark lager. It's like a winter, almost like chocolatey flavor. Vegetables are cooked perfectly. Still some bite. A little bit of crunch in there. That's my thing when I cook like stir fries and stuff. Pull it off even if you think it's not done yet. Really good. Oh, so good. One more drink of beer and I'm going to say goodbye to you guys so I can turn this bright light off and just enjoy my feast without the camera on, without that light on. Just have that nice wood light going, and I can get Julia to join me out here. So, until next time, guys. If you haven't done it already, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button because it really helps the channel out. And see you guys on the next one. Toodaloo. Give me something good. Later, guys.